everyone, this is Sachiko Winview from Mimicafe Union. Today I have a good idea, so I'm going to show you how to make a mini photo booth. If you have a small room and no place for the good photo shoot place, and so this one is a this is just emergency. So we have tons of amazing beautiful photo booths, but this is just right now I need something for my cupcakes, for little mini toppers or something like that. So you want to take a photo. So this one actually cake box for cupcakes. This one's 12 or 15 cupcakes fit in this box. So then this one is a 10 by 10 by 3 inch. Yeah. So then I just using the small clips then attach here. So easy to set up and easy to take it out and easy to away. So it's good for the DIY style. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so this two box. So this is white part, and then the back side is the brown. So this is the top lid part. Okay, so then yeah, you can just bend these parts a little bit, so that means easy to assemble together. So this one, so you can just a little just for here, so you can just assemble together this main square parts and the square part together. That means these parts, so you can make a little put inside and outside, inside, outside. So like this. So this one is the top, and then this one is the this box top, and then this one is under this. So like this. So you can just making layers. Yeah. So the back side is here. Same thing. Yep. All right. So then now, so then this top lid, so you can just bend and use the clip and attach together. So make sure now flat. Okay. So then yeah, this one not necessary, but yeah, you can just attach here. So that means connect together, right? So the back side is here like this. All right. So then next here, so carefully you can just bend and making 90 degree like cube style. All right. So here the back side. So just assemble here. So one more. So here flat and then connect together and then attach the clip. Then tight like this. All right. So the back side is here like this. Right. So then now, and so you can just attach here more tight. And so here, this edge, use a clip, right? And this part. So here, so you can just bend this part and clip like this, right? Yep. All right. So then some parts here flat. It's okay. It's gonna be more fit on the table, and then they can stand by themselves really well. Yep. And just a little bit bent, and that's it. So you can take a picture with the figure like this. Another box. All right. So then this top clip, you can just take it out. Oops. Yeah, always like this. Okay, so then yeah, just a little bit assemble. Alright, so just one of the top lid. Okay, I just attach it here because this one, this lid here. So you can just bend and clip one. Alright, so then this is the one, and this one just attach here. Next, using another box, and so here this like a little slit here, so you can just stick this and then this, right? Then this one, so here, oops, sorry, just okay, so it's a little bit loose, but so you can just stick here on the top lid. here like this. Then use the clip, then attach the edge. Okay, so here this side, then just a little bit bent, right? Then this part, yeah, if you like, you can just take it out, this clip here. Oops, and I know it's a little bit loose, and so you can just attach the clip end together. Actually, I made a 30 minutes ago. It was perfect. Yeah, it just like, you just try to tight and assemble together. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's just like a comedy, right? Yeah. So just assemble together, and it's not like a fall down. So it's, you know, stay together. So if you feel like a little loose, so you can just attach the clip just for secure for the back side, right? So then now you have a long wall here, and you can make a little photo shoot with the, you know, tall figure. Yeah, or, you know, cake. Yeah, cake maybe okay. Maybe cupcake would be great. All right. Yeah, and then also if cupcake, you can just put down here like this and put it here, and then you can have a more like a distance from the back side, so you can take a more like a wonderful picture. But I know this line is really annoying, and of course, you know, everybody can see, oh, this is a cheap way. I have a good idea. So you have many scarves or towel or pillowcase or blanket or anything, you have a, you know, something stuff like that, right? So this is one of my scarf. So then you can just put it on the top like this. Perfect. And now, so you can take a photo shoot like this. Yeah. Sometimes when you take a picture from like a little, like a figure in the backside, little close, it might be no really good picture. So you can just try to make a little far away from here, and so you can see the nice curve and take a picture really, you know, well. Yeah. Yeah, sounds good. This is another way. So here, 2 box, and this is the top lid, right? So then this one, so you can just assemble like this, right? Then, so more close, and so you have a little space here. Then this part, so you can just bend and clip. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so you can just make a little bit like, you know, distance. Yeah, keep the distance here just a little bit like wider. Okay, just a clip, right? So then another side. So here, so just bend this and clip. So that's it. Then, so this both the top side, and so you can just connect here. Then, yeah. So and then, so this part, so you can see it's gonna be fall down like this. So need this side here. just a clip the side, and so here, clip this side. That's it. So it's a flat, more like open space, and yeah, like simple easy tutorial or something. So you can just use this part. All right. Then if you don't like this surface, of course you can just use the scarf and cover the surface. That's it. So it's very easy, simple style, and also I didn't use any glue, just use the clip. So you can take sticker out and make a flat and away. So it's very easy and simple and cheap, and you can enjoy the photo shoot. All right, I hope you like it. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.